Welcome back. Now, to finalize and to start promoting your affiliate page to other interested affiliates, we'll need to go to this offer area where we already are. Then we're going to go to the offer setup and options. We're going to scroll down and then we're going to go to the affiliate sign up page. Now, this page is actually what will appear to affiliates. We'll have their offer statistics and then they'll be able to visit the sales page at this button. They'll be able to look at all three products and then they'll be able to see where their commission is going to come from. So if you want to change something or if you want to alter what it is that you'd like to show affiliates, you're going to need to do that at the individual product level. One thing that you do not see available here are your contest details, and that's because we haven't gone in to begin creating a contest for this particular product. But once that contest is created, you'll see that in this area on our affiliate offer details. Once you have the page looking the way you want, if you want to begin tracking where your affiliates are coming from, what you can do is you can come back to this affiliate landing page. You can click the Generate Link button, and then you can create a special sub-ID. For example, you are going to use a certain link to recruit affiliates through the Munch Eye system. Then you can write in your sub-ID here. And then you can use this URL specifically in that location so you'll know that's how the affiliate found your page. Once you have all the tracking links that you're going to create, you're going to close out, and then you're ready to begin using your affiliate linked page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.